Hello and welcome. It's Emilia here. Today I will be creating a lovely card using products from Scrapbooking Mystery Box by Lemoncraft. On my desk I have a selection of goodies from the box, but I will only use some of them. I must say it was difficult to choose paper, as there is so many pretty ones in the kit. I decided to take wood pattern papers and the light blue paper. The measurements for the card you can see on the screen. This time I will need to use 3 layers of paper. The first one I'm going to attach to the card base using double-sided tape, second one using glue. And for the third one, I have a plan to turn it into a frame. To create the frame, I'm adding marks 1.5 centimeter from each edge, and then I will cut out the rectangle using craft knife. To adhere the frame to the card, I will use pieces of chipboard. You can use double-sided foam pads instead, but before I will do it, I'm just going to add a piece of lace underneath the frame. As a base for the composition, I'm using chipboard swirl from the big set of swirls. I cut gorgeous lace into smaller pieces and I'm going to use it with the swirl. I have also die cut few leaves out of the same papers I'm using for the card. I will use one white and one brown flower and the same for the wooden heart. I always divide leaf branches into smaller pieces. This way I can use them in few places instead of one big piece. I have created a ribbon and string bow, which I'm going to attach near the flowers. Last elements I'm adding to the composition are green artificial leaves. I'm also cutting them into smaller pieces. I'm inviting you to visit Lemoncraft Facebook page. You will find lots of amazing inspirations there. To finish off the card, I'm adding splats of white acrylic paint mixed with water. You can skip that step if you don't like splats on your cards. Feel free to make a very similar card. Please tag me on social media, Emilia Sieradzan Lady E, so I can see your project. Thank you for joining me today. Please subscribe to my channel to receive notifications about the new videos. Have a lovely creative day. Thank you. Bye.